Today, let's talk about cranberry extract sachets. These convenient packets are popular for their health benefits, primarily for supporting urinary tract health. Cranberry extract is rich in antioxidants and compounds that help prevent bacterial adhesion in the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Additionally, it may aid in improving cardiovascular health and supporting overall immune function. However, while cranberry extract is generally safe, there are some potential side effects. Overuse can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, such as diarrhea or stomach cramps. It might also interact with certain medications, like blood thinners. So it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. In summary, cranberry extract sachets offer significant benefits for urinary and cardiovascular health.